Made with dried navy beans and fresh vegetables, this creamy Instant Pot white bean soup is nutritious and budget-friendly. Using the Instant Pot sauté setting, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil. When hot, sauté the onion, carrot, and celery until the onion becomes translucent. Then add garlic and continue cooking for 30 seconds to a minute or until the garlic becomes fragrant. When that's done, cancel the sauté. Now you can add the navy beans, diced potatoes, Italian seasoning, salt, and crushed red pepper, as well as the vegetable broth. Do not stir. Close the lid and turn the knob to sealing. Set the Instant Pot to pressure cook on high for 35 minutes. It will take the pot about 15 to 20 minutes to come to pressure before the cooking time begins. When the cooking time is complete, allow the pressure to release naturally for 15 minutes, then release any remaining pressure with a quick release. Transfer about half the soup into a blender and puree the soup on low speed. Be very careful when blending hot soup. Allow the soup to cool for a couple minutes before blending, and be sure not to overfill your blender. Return the blended soup to the pot, taste the soup and adjust the seasoning if needed. You can add torn kale and stir it into the soup. Allow the kale to wilt for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're ready to serve.